Gorgeous day out here in Nashville, Tennessee. Let's see if we can spice up some tailgates, Pepper Palace style.
Everybody ready? I'm a fat boy. And this is skinny. Fat boy is skinny, baby. Fat boy is skinny. Lot T at the Titan Tailgate spot on game day, baby.
Yes, sir.
No violence, no nothing. We just all have one big happy family. You know, when hard days to work, we look forward to coming here on Sundays and meet up with each other and just enjoy each other's company, man.
Usually have the slow stuff over here, chicken, burgers, or ribs, and then we do the fast stuff on this hot one, small.
That's a good sauce, man. That sauce right there. Pepper Palace Mega Garlic. Fat boy skinny style, baby. Fat boy skinny. Do a little toss. Do a little toss.
Pepper Palace.
Yeah.
That's real good.
Go out and get you some of that sauce. It makes all the food great.
Yes, sir.
So we got smoked bologna, smoked barbecue bologna. So we're about to cut it up in slices and then fry it. Basically like a filet mignon. Takes you back to you as a kid. We have put wing sauce on smoked bologna before.
This right here is just a little.
Run over there at Pepper Palace, get you some of it.
You gotta put the bologna in it.
We got some plate.
Have it
in hot sauce.
Yep. We've been coming to Titans games for, I don't know, 7-8 years at least. We've been tailgating pretty consistently for the last 5 or 6 years. So this is a setup where we got, you know, during pregame, we can watch the pregame show. If we're playing a night game, you know, we can watch, you know, different games as we're leading up. Of course, we've got the PlayStation on there too. We'll get Madden tournaments going sometimes. Yeah, we smoke them and then we pull them out and we kind of fry them just to kind of, you know, crisp them back up. They look good.
Be the judge of that.
Wow. Man, that is amazing. 2 thumbs up.
That's really good. Take it over here now.
You gotta hit that right there. It's got a little spice, but it's not bad at all.
It says hot though.
No, it's really not. I promise not.
Oh, that's good.
Spider can't eat this though.
The official sauce.
He can't handle any.
It's a lightweight.
Yes.
We're at Singing River Brewing Company in Florence, Alabama. Today we brought the Singing River Hazy, 6.5% ABV. Just real soft, real pillowy, all citra dry hop. So you got this bright citrusy note, but real smooth and easy to drink.
We've been over here slow smoking this barbecue for about, I don't know, 10 hours. It started way late last night, but here we are today. Honey Chipotle rum from Pepper Palace. Easily my favorite barbecue. Whoa, hell yeah.
I could use that. And I make my own barbecue sauce. That's saying something. Woo! That's just good. We have a rule.
We kill it, we eat it. We've had dove breast wrapped in bacon with pineapple, catfish, crappie, hush puppies, and french fries today.
Kentucky Lake catfish with a little bit of Wingmaster, medium, buffalo style.
It's pretty good.
Good.
It's got a little bite. It's not overbearing at all.
Definitely a good wing sauce.
It's probably better on chicken, I would think. Hey, that's good, but I think it'd be better on the chicken.
I got some infused wings, if you like those.
Infused with what though? What do you mean?
I'll try your sauce and you try mine. Oh, I've been coming here since the very beginning, 99. The craziest thing I've ever seen of a Titans fan is we played Buffalo on Monday night and a gentleman came by and jumped on our table and broke it. That was the craziest thing.
Goddamn Bills fans.
Oh,
yeah, the Bills fans, yeah.
It's rowdy. They
Goddamn
rowdy.
Bills.
I forgot about them.
Man, they don't care.
They would jump off this bridge
yeah.
into a table.
Yeah.
And we welcomed him with open arms and said, have a drink and get some wings. And it was all good. We're those type of fans. This is light work. I usually bring a very, very big grill with me that I put 300 wings on at one time. This is the second batch. We had 160 wings we cooked today. Mega garlic. Oh, it sounds good. Try it out. Tell us what you think.
Oh, it's hot, baby.
It is hot.
My goodness. Okay.
Oh, there you go. It's all good.
Yummy.
What do you think? You love it? Okay. All right. I think that says it right there.
Check out pepperpalace.com to get everything that you need to spice up your next tailgate, from wild to mild.